What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're renaming the channel. It's no longer just my name, Austin Nguyen. It is Kurokishi Motorsports. And today's gonna be our first video. Today we're gonna actually install big boy wheels right here. Some Gram lights, 57s, made in Japan. They're rocking the Extreme Contact Sports just like my car as well. And then we're also gonna be installing Whiteline sway bars and Fortunato Coilovers Series 7. Alright guys, so these are the Fortunato coilers we're gonna be setting into the Subaru WRX.
Merry Christmas, motherfucker.
What is that, Patrick? Show the viewers, show the viewers.
I got them on the Black Friday sale.
For how much?
700. Half the price. We'll take a snap.
Is he
recording?
ACL?
What are you doing?
Alright. We're teaching this man how to wrench. And he can't
My
break
meniscus!
He can't break the nut.
Can I try?
If you want, Chris.
Can I try?
Go ahead.
Hey, bro.
Jesus, Tony.
You got it?
Alright, go ahead, Chris. Try it.
I need you.
It's hard.
You ask Chris, I'm stronger than you.
We need big boy muscles over there.
Alright, man. I'll go do it. I'll do it. I was teaching him, but he can't do it.
Do it.
That's content.
Alright, let me see. No, show him how to do it.
Fuck.
Tony, go.
What are you doing?
Breaking it lefty loosey. But he can't do it. Even with that like that. Okay, here you go.
First mistake, you never do it from the top head. You do it from over here with the nut.
Oh, bro, I YOLO it. I do either or.
Oh, what the fuck?
If it works, it works.
Hey, you're doing it wrong.
No, it's going
No,
left. You can do either or.
What the?
He's strong enough to do it. That's
What the
all.
hell?
You just gotta have muscles.
Think about it. Look at Patrick.
Alright, let him do the rest.
What the fuck is he doing?
Alright, now ratchet it
Loosen
out.
it out. Just keep going.
Ratchet it out by
This
hand.
part?
It's
Yes.
gonna start spinning after a while, so you're gonna have to hold that side.
Wait, so I have to go up or down? Okay, on the left
Lefty
side, you
loosey,
go up.
homie.
So down. Think about it. He did it up.
Look at it.
This
It's
side
way.
is up.
Up. Go up to loose.
Think about the way you look at the.
Always try doing it on that nut side, because if you do it on the other side, it's gonna start tightening the other side. Because it'll start making this tighter, and it's gonna make it harder for you.
Okay.
Because Austin gets lucky with that shit.
So we're just stupid.
Austin just gets lucky.
Someone told me to do it on that side.
Because if you keep doing it hard, you're gonna snap that shit.
Yeah, so don't trust Austin. Trust the UTI man.
My ass is a legend.
Your ass is lucky. That's
Oh,
what's cool.
if I take this off, would this entire thing drop?
If it wasn't in search.
My young mini mechanic right here.
UTI.
Hard. UTI? Oh, I'm recording, Patrick. What's good?
Hey, what's up,
recording?
bro? What's up,
Yeah.
YouTube?
All right, guys.
Kishi, baby.
Kurokishi. Anyways, we switched to the GoPro. The mic quality might suffer, but we kind of ran out of battery on the Sony camera.
Elite. The Elite.
So we're using this now. Hopefully it's all right.
Hey, I want some screen time.
You can get some screen time.
All right,
I need some lighting though.
Oh,
Whoa.
hi. We are currently changing wheels, coilovers, and then
Wheels and coilovers.
yeah. And then after that, I'm going to be putting it back in, and then I'm just gonna go for a test run. And yeah,
You can't even drive stick though.
Patrick will teach me. So yeah.
With a stage 5 clutch?
I don't know, dude.
I questioned that.
I'll go for it.
I questioned that.
I question everything.
Whoa! That's scary.
It's rusty, bro.
Can I take it off?
Grab a gun.
Oh, gun! I love guns.
Whoa.
Whoa, chill. Ooh,
FBI,
booty.
You got a suspect.
Don't let him go to the school.
Yeah,
Wait, what number? What number?
19.
I already have it. Just bring the gun. Take the
Oh, no. That's not an impact. There's different socket grades. That's a chromium, is just regular for hand tools. The harder substance, this is softer.
Wait, I want you to go. Stop! No,
Patrick wants to finish it, that's why.
it's dark, bro.
Use this as your chair.
I guess I'll be cameraman again, you know?
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Tony's too lazy to do camera work.
No, my hands is dirty.
So my hands are too!
Ooh, I'll do camera work.
There's no point.
Nah, you just said your ass.
Oh. We'll just get
Well,
shit done.
I mean, it'll be better if you guys do the other
Wait,
side.
wait. How do you change the coilovers here?
Alright, start doing the other side. Help him with the light.
What the fuck? Why are you?
Hey!
Hey,
What's going on here?
smells like fish.
Huh? Where are you guys going?
Where you guys going? I didn't return the car.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
He's learning. He's getting his hands dirty.
Hello.
Alright.
See you guys.
Laters.
My hand's dirty, bro. Peace out. Bye, put the clown.
Alright.
That car smells like fish.
Flip them off.
This is better than it
Ah, relax.
Masturbation.
What's up? We got a game today. At 11:30, not 11.
We freaking flew the whole team that we had a game starting at 11. So they get there early because they always come late. But it actually starts at 11:30 and we're on our way right now. So we'll get the boy Chris back there. So later after the game, we're gonna finish the installs that we left yesterday because it got a little too late, so we didn't have any more light.
Yeah. And right now it's sunny.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish the sway bars,
and then
front and back, and yeah, just the coilovers. So
I mean, you should like point it at your face, not your.
It's in my face. I can see it.
You sure?
Yeah, I hope so. I'm crying, bro. I need space. I'm fat.
You're a big boy.
I'm putting that in front of your face.
Fuck it.
All right, I'll see y'all later.
Peace. Alright, what's up guys? It's the next day. We actually have time to work on the car now. We're finally gonna install the Whiteline sway bars since we already did everything else. And big major problem we had with the tire fitment. We kind of lowered the car way too much, not expecting to get this type of fitment because our fenders aren't rolled completely flat, so it rubs like hell. So because of the fitment issue, we're actually gonna raise the car up like maybe an inch or so, just so we don't rub until we get this part rolled. How's it look?
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. Alright, so here's the reveal. This is the temporary fitment until we actually drop the car. So until next time, when Patrick finally rolls his fender, later.
Peace out.